Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to draw on image in Google Docs. So this is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First step is to go right here to Insert, click on it, and then go right to Drawing. Press New, and here you have to upload your image, so select the image icon and upload your image by dragging and dropping from the folder, like so. And once your image is uploaded, right here it will show, and you can draw on it right here. So just pick this line tool, select line, and pick scribble. Then select the border color, so let's say it will be red, and then weight, so I will pick 12 pixels. Just simply like this. And you can just start drawing like so. And if you are done your drawing, you can simply press save and close in the top right corner, and it will save and place your image into a document. So line color, red, and 12 pixels, like so. So it is really simple. Press save and close, and your drawing is inserted. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.